If you really love somebody's template or somebody's flow, you can duplicate the flow or share it as a template. So say you notice something and you want to pass this on to another manager, you can share it as a template. This will copy the link. Whomever you send it to will receive this, and the second they open that link, they'll be dropped into the editor. One click of a button, that flow is theirs as well. It's really, really nice. So kind of just to show you that. Use this template. And then here, configure if you want it to be scheduled, on demand, whatever. Content's the same. Create flow, one button, and that's all it takes. Share it with your team. Super, super easy. You're a leader and you want to set up one-on-ones for all of the managers on your team. You can, you're like, hey, I created this and I want to duplicate this. You duplicate it, sets it up. You can change the owner to be someone else in the company. Create the flow. Everything is just like simple with the click of a button. So very easy to churn out flows and get them distributed to your team.